But I'll tell you about the three films that I saw,
Yeah.
because I only saw three.
Do it.
But they were absolutely extraordinary. The first one that I saw was opening night, which was Testament of Youth, directed by James Kent, which was a tearjerker. It was beautiful. It was so moving.
Now,
And
are you one of those loud criers in the theater?
no, I'm a kind of quiet
Okay.
soul.
Because there were a couple of those last night.
I'm a kind of like, you know,
Nothing
like
in
the
my eye,
tear or
nothing in
something.
my
Yeah,
eye.
no, nothing in my eye. So that was that one. And it was just beautiful. And the way that the story was told, it makes you consider being a pacifist, but you know that there are times when you have to take up arms to protect them. So we won't get into war, but it was a wonderful statement of the era. It was a remarkable statement of the era. And beautifully executed, exquisitely executed. And then the next one was, I saw was For Grace, which is FOR, For Grace. And Grace is the name of this 3-star Michelin restaurant in Chicago. So we took the journey with Curtis Duffy to see how he set about opening his first restaurant. And then we learned about the most extraordinary thing that happened in his life when he was a young man, which shaped him. And that was a tearjerker. And we had a double standing O.
I am never going to a movie with you.
Double standing O. Okay? Amazing.
That's wild.
Yeah, wild. I mean, absolutely incredible. And then the next night was the Lieutenant Governor's party.
I was just talking to somebody about that.
Yeah. And we had Emily Hunter, who came to present a film about her father, Bob Hunter, and the story of Greenpeace. The tearjerker there was looking at the battered seals, so
Yes.
you know. But it was really phenomenal, and the Lieutenant Governor, Her Honor, is a very, very well-known environmentalist. I mean, internationally respected environmentalist, and so she was fascinated with the film. She really enjoyed it, and everybody in the audience really enjoyed it, and people didn't want to stop asking Emily questions. So, you know, it was lovely to see that everywhere that I went, the food was extraordinary, the wine was extraordinary, we were comfortably seated in tents, and the audience was totally engaged. I mean, I think, you know, we delivered what we set
You
out
really
to
did.
do.
I had no idea going into it what I was getting into, and I got into town yesterday, and I've loved
What did you
every
get to?
second.
What did you go to?
I got out to Pellerin Steaks last night for
Little Big
the
Master, which is also another tearjerker.
Right?
Yeah, we're very good at that, aren't we? Just twist your
Yep,
emotions.
just keep bringing me more wine, and I'll be fine. But it's been fantastic. I love it. And if I get offered the chance to come back again, I'm here.
You're invited.
Sure.
You're
And then,
invited.
more importantly, or just as importantly, especially since you're from the area,
No, I'm from Toronto.
Oh, you're from Toronto.
Via London, England.
well, I couldn't tell from the accent. Had no idea. Favorite wine?
They were all good.
They were.
They were all very, very good. I mean, I had some velvety cabs. I had some crisp Pinot Grigio and Sauvignon Blanc. I mean, delicious. And the pairings were so well done. They just offset these incredible dishes that they've been selected for. I was very impressed.
It's a fantastic one. So
Thank you.
congrats.
Thank you.
Can't wait for next year.
Me too.
And there we go. See? Easy. Totally easy. Priceless.